Did you know you can get $1 million in life insurance for the cost of what you're paying for coffee every month? Well, you can, and I'm gonna show you how. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a real tactic you can use to save money on your life insurance. Acorns did a study in 2022 that the average person spends $3 to $5 every single day on their coffee. That means you're spending $90 to $150 a month on coffee. Now, if you made the decision to go get store-bought coffee, make your coffee at home, and not spend $3 to $5 every single day, you'll have a significant savings every single month, and you can use that savings to protect your family's future on something like life insurance. So in this video, we're actually going to cover two really common use cases and concepts of life insurance that we see on a daily basis. You can accomplish all that without spending an extra dollar, just saving money on your coffee. So we're here in Southern California, and I know the prices of real estate in California can be high. So just imagine this. You and your spouse, you work super hard and you save, put money down in your dream house. When you're buying life insurance, it's super important to factor in something called debt replacement. So what is debt replacement? In this case, the debt is the house you just bought. You bought a house in Southern California, and that house, for simple numbers, let's use $1 million. You bought that house for $1 million, and you put 20% down to buy the house. So you put down 200, and let's just keep this very simple. You have 800,000 left over now to pay this house off. You got a 30-year loan when you bought the house. 30 years. Now, in order to accomplish debt replacement, because you're on the hook for 30 years, you have to pay down that 800,000 that you owe. You would get a life insurance policy that was at least a 30-year term life insurance policy that was at minimum $800,000. That way, if something happens to you, then the house is paid off and you're not leaving that debt on to your family. So the life insurance policy comes in, pays the house off. If something were to happen to you tomorrow and it would impact your family financially at all, then you need to have a life insurance. So one of the most important things you can do with the life insurance policy is replace your income for a specific window of time. So what does that mean? Let's break it down. Now, let's say you and your spouse, you both make $120,000 a year, so it's $240,000 combined. But you each make $10,000 a month each. And your expenses are $17,000 per month. So let's just say at the end you have $3,000 left over after your expenses, both of you.
Not bad, not bad.
Now, if something were, God forbid, to happen to one of the two of you, and your income were to go away, now this expense, the $17,000, is more than your income.
Ouch.
So the life insurance policy can be a safe haven for you, because most people, they're gonna replace their income with a life insurance policy for a minimum of 10 years. So in this case, to replace your income for the next 10 years, you would get a $1.2 million life insurance policy. If you pass away, a tax-free check from the insurance company pays to your beneficiary, which would be your spouse in this case, and it would replace this income to now make you whole again, or make them whole again, for the next 10 years. All right, in the beginning of the video, I told you guys we'd give you a tip on how you can save money when you're shopping for life insurance. So here it is. If you have two different needs for life insurance, like income replacement or debt replacement, and the term length of life insurance, if it's different, for example, if you want to have insurance for income replacement for the next 20 years and you want to have debt replacement life insurance for the next 30 years during the whole duration of a home loan or something like that, you can get two different life insurance policies for each specific need, and you're actually going to end up saving money because a 20-year term policy is less expensive than a 30-year term policy. So if you get one need for 20 years, one need for 30 years, two different life insurance policies, you're gonna spend less money doing that than you would if you got one big blanket life insurance policy. But above anything else, having some life insurance is better than no life insurance. So remember that, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, like it, send it to someone who needs to see it. Hopefully you stick around, and we'll see you there. We'll see you guys here for more videos in the future. All right, now you're probably wondering, what does this all cost? Well, if you are a healthy 35-year-old male, you can get $1 million in life insurance, a 20-year term policy for $31 a month. And you're probably spending $100 to $150 every single month on coffee. Like I spent $5 just for this coffee alone. Don't go out and get coffee every single day. Get some store-bought coffee, make some coffee at home, get a life insurance policy, and protect your family's future with some of the savings without increasing your monthly expenses at all.